how to earn money on crypto code. Now if you'd like to earn money on crypto code, it is very simple to do so. So let's say you've been playing the TapSwap code game right over here, right? And then you would like to earn money over here. Now what you can do is you can just go ahead and then multiple tap on the game many times in order to basically win and earn money. You can go to the task to complete their daily task and any other options that you'll be able to find there, and as a result you'll be able to make money by completing this daily task as well as per the game. If you go to the town option, you'll be able to see all of the other options that you'd be able to find right here. You can also come to the swap option to swap the tokens from a certain crypto to another, let's say fiat currency, so that you can withdraw them in a form of money. You can also go to the account section right over here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then copy it, and then whenever you'll be able to refer someone using this invite link, both of you will earn some amount of bonus, and this way you'll be able to basically earn money on crypto code. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.